everyone, welcome back to the channel. Right after updating Windows, I noticed a new panel labeled Mobile Devices appeared in the Start menu. Now, many users want to disable this panel, while others are looking to enable it, but most can't figure out where the setting is. So in this video, I'll show you exactly how to turn it on or off in just a few clicks. To disable the Mobile Devices panel, click on Hide this panel. Then scroll down and toggle off the option that says Show Mobile Devices in Start. Now, when you open the Start menu, the Mobile Devices panel is completely gone. If you want to re-enable it later, go to Settings, click on Personalization, then go to Start, scroll down and turn on the switch for Show Mobile Devices in Start. Once it's turned back on, the Mobile Devices panel will reappear in your Start menu. And that's it! Quick and simple! If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more useful Windows tips. See you in the next one!